So now that we just finished it, we did a muffler and resonator delete on this RT. Still got the stock converters as usual. X-pipe. We did a muffler, mid muffler, resonator delete, and muffler or rear muffler delete. Right there, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do them. 2019 Dodge Charger Hemi Scat Pack. And what we did after, there's the two cats still. There's the X-pipe. Then we did the mid muffler delete right there on that side and that side. And then we did a rear muffler or rear resonator delete right there and right there. And then that's what we just took off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Go ahead. Sounds much better. Nice and open. The Dodgers never disappoint. As you guys can see, we do a lot of these. We love the sound of them. All I'm gonna say is wow. That's how you make an engine breathe, man. How'd you guys hear that inside? Oh yeah. Bring in the Camaro.